I'm gonna show you how to make like this bed thing out of nothing. And I got this really cool camera that comes with my card. So tell me in the comments if you know how to work those. So this is how you do the bed thing. So you need a pillow. And just a pillow sheet with the pillow. You need hands, one or two. You need, that's about it. Alright, no paper necessary. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring the box. Then from this top, when it opens up, that's where everything will go to the bottom. So, first I'm going to put them here, like so. Then I'm going to do this, like so. Then I'm going to put it back here. Then, watch right. Put it back here. And if it wasn't an airplane like that, then it would have flew like this. So, y'all, I'll see ya. Sorry for that random music, but okay, I'll see ya. Bye. Subscribe.